Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
In
ma'am.
today's lecture, we are going to start next chapter, that is analgesic. Analgesic means these are the agents, they relieve the pain, are known as analgesic, in which firstly, what is pain? We have to study what is pain, after that analgesic, then their types, narcotic analgesic, non-narcotic analgesic, after their types, side by side pharmacological agents used in the narcotic analgesic, their mechanism of action, then their side effects, preparations, then their poisoning. We have to study this point in analgesic chapter. Firstly, analgesic means these are the pharmacological agents. They are given externally, then they relieve the pain sensation. ज्या पेन्स असतात त्या रिमूव्ह करतात किंवा to stop the pain sensation or to reduce the pain sensation, these agents are known as analgesic. What is pain? Do you know about pain? What is pain?
Pain is an unpleasant sensation.
It is an unpleasant sensation. So before the study of analgesic agent, we have started this chapter from pain. What is pain? It is unpleasant sensation which informs about structural and functional changes in the body. ही एक अनप्लेजंट सेन्सेशन आहे जी इन्फॉर्म करते जे बॉडी मध्ये स्ट्रक्चरल आणि फंक्शनल चेंजेस होते ते अँड ऍक्ट ॲज वॉर्निंग सिग्नल अगेन्स्ट डिस्टर्बन्स इन इट मीन्स बॉडी मध्ये जे स्ट्रक्चरल अँड फंक्शनल चेंजेस येते त्या चेंजेस रिलेटेड जो वॉर्निंग सिग्नल असतो लाईक दॅट पेन इज ऍक्ट ॲज वॉर्निंग सिग्नल अगेन्स्ट द डिस्टर्बन्स इन इट जो काही चेंज झालेला आहे दॅट इज डिस्टर्बन्स occur in our body. That disturbance is shown by unpleasant sensation. Here, pain is act as warning signal against this change in the body or against this disturbance in it. Then pain receptor is a sensory neuron that responds to damaging stimuli by sending possible threat signal to spinal cord and brain. म्हणजे पेन ला पर्टिक्युलर पेन रिसेप्टर असतात. दे आर ऑल्सो नोन एज नोसिरिसेप्टर. So pain receptor are known as nociceptor and pain receptor काय आहे तर they are the sensory neuron. सेन्स ट्रान्समिट करणारे न्यूरॉन आहेत सेन्सरी इम्पल्सेस and that responds to damaging stimuli. ज्या ठिकाणी पेन होते जिथे डॅमेज झाले त्या स्टिम्युलायचा जो रिस्पॉन्स आहे that respond by sending possible threats signal. म्हणजे possible threat signal म्हणजे in theater माहितीये fearing. So that possible threat signal to spinal cord and brain. म्हणजे ब्रेनला आणि स्पायनल कॉर्डला हे पेन रिसेप्टरच्या थ्रू सेन्सरी न्यूरॉन आहेत they respond करतात की डॅमेज झाले किंवा एनी इंजुरी और एनी अनप्लेजंट सेन्सेशन it gets sending to spinal cord and brain. Pain receptor are also known as nociceptor. Then pain receptor are group of sensory neuron. Pain receptor हे sensory neuron चे group आहे with specialized nerve ending and widely distributed in skin, deep tissue and most visceral organs. Pain receptors are also known as nociceptors and they are group of sensory neurons. Sensory neurons चा group आहे with specialized nerve ending. Nerve ending means end of the neuron, that is nerve ending, that is with the specialized nerve ending and widely distributed in. हे जे सेन्सरी न्यूरॉन्स आहेत, हे जे पेन रिसेप्टर आहेत, they are widely distributed in the skin, deep tissue and most visceral organs. Most visceral organs means internal organs of the body like heart. So this is about pain and pain receptor. Then clinically pain can be classified as different types. म्हणजे pain चे different types असतात, in which cutaneous or superficial pain, then deep or non-visceral pain from muscle, joints and bones. Then visceral pain means internal organ ला असलेली pain. Then referred pain and psychogenic pain, that is functional pain. These are the 5 types of pain. Clinically, pains are classified into following types. First one, cutaneous, that is superficial; psychogenic, that is functional; then visceral pain, referred pain, deep and non-visceral pain from the muscle, joint and the bone. Pain receptors are distributed. पेन रिसेप्टर ऑर्गन्स म्हणजे पेन रिसेप्टर ज्या ऑर्गन्स मध्ये प्रेझेंट असतात, दे आर डिस्ट्रीब्युटेड थ्रू आउट दी बॉडी. ते बॉडी मध्ये डिस्ट्रीब्यूट केलेले असतात. पेन सेन्सेशन आर दी अनप्लेजंट सेन्सेशन and they inform about there is structural and functional change in the body. Structural आणि functional जो बॉडी मध्ये चेंज झालेला आहे, that informed by pain. Brain, spinal cord to brain. Sound is audible to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then pain receptor is a sensory neuron, means they are the sensory neuron and they म्हणजे neurons असतात. What is function of neuron? To transmit the impulses to spinal cord and brain. That is same function of this pain receptor. Pain receptor are the sensory neuron and that response जे damage झालेले stimuli आहेत त्यांचा response send केला जातो as a threatening signal or as a warning signal to the spinal cord and brain. This is about pain. What is the meaning of pain in Marathi?
Vedna. Vedna.
Vedna.
This is about pain. आणि त्या पेन वरती, त्या अनप्लेजंट सेन्सेशन वरती जे एजंट ऍक्ट करतात, मीन्स टू रिलीव्ह द पर्सन और इंडिव्हिज्युअल फ्रॉम दिस अनप्लेजंट सेन्सेशन, दॅट एजंट्स आर नोन ॲज अनॅल्जेसिक एजंट. म्हणजे जे फार्माकोलॉजिकल एजंट पेन सेन्सेशन रिड्यूस करतात, रिलीव्ह करतात, त्या एजंट्सना अनॅल्जेसिक म्हणायचंय. These agents are known as analgesic agents or analgesic. So all of you understand about pain?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Pain
ma'am.
receptor are also known as
Nociceptor.
Nociceptor.
Okay.
Nociceptor.
And last one point, pain receptor are the group of sensory neuron with the specialized nerve ending. Nerve ending are the end of neuron. तर हे ग्रुप आहेत सेन्सरी न्यूरॉनचे आणि त्या नर्व एंडिंग मध्ये, दॅट इज एंड ऑफ द न्यूरॉन, वाइडली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट झालेले आहेत इन द स्किन, डीप टिश्यू अँड मोस्ट ऑफ द विजरल ऑर्गन. व्हॉट इज विजरल ऑर्गन?
Internal organ pain.
Internal organ pain.
Internal organs of the body. These are the visceral organs. Then next, analgesic. These are the pharmacological agent. When administered externally, they relieve the pain, are known as analgesic. Then there are the 2 types of analgesic: narcotic analgesic and non-narcotic analgesic. Narcotic analgesic, they are also known as opioid analgesic. That is, they act on opioid receptor. And non-narcotic analgesic, they are also known as NSAID, that is non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory agents. These are NSAID. In non-narcotic agent, we have to study what is, or we will study antipyretic agent, anti-inflammatory agent. ते agent non-narcotic study करायचे आहे. Roll number 18. Mute yourself. Preetal Ingole, mute yourself. There are two types of analgesic agent. First one, narcotic analgesic, and second, non-narcotic analgesic. NACID. What is full form? Non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. How many types of analgesic?
Two types.
Two
Two
types.
types.
Which?
Two types. Narcotic analgesic.
Narcotic analgesic and non-narcotic analgesic.
Non-narcotic analgesic.
Okay. What is analgesic?
These are the
Pharmacological agent which
externally
administer
they relieve
and
pain
release the
and
pain
anesthetic.
is known as analgesic.
Are known as analgesic.
Okay, so analgesic are the agent. They relieve from the unpleasant sensation of body. Then next one is the classification of this narcotic analgesic, non-narcotic analgesic. Means ह्या क्लासिफिकेशनचा two types of analgesic त्याचा in detail study करायचा आहे. Firstly, we study narcotic analgesic. Narcotic analgesic are also known as
Opioid analgesic.
So narcotic analgesic, these are the pharmacological agent which when administered externally, they relieve severe degree of pain associated with burns, parturition, fractures, tumors, traumas, malignancy, etc. by affecting degree of consciousness slightly by producing necrosis. Hence, they are known as narcotic analgesic. Narcosis or necrosis. So, narcotic analgesic जे आहेत हे असे फार्माकोलॉजिकल एजंट्स आहेत when they are administered externally, ज्यावेळेस आपण externally administered करू, then they relieve the severe degree of ते relieve करतात. Relieve means to remove or to reduce. They reduce severe degree of pain. जी काय pain occur होते, pain associated with burn, parturition, fracture, tumors, trauma and malignancy. म्हणजे ह्या ज्या कंडिशन्स आहेत किंवा या डिसऑर्डर आहेत, ह्या ज्या पेन्स आहेत ड्युरिंग डिसऑर्डर्स म्हणूयात, हे ज्यावेळेस ऑकर होतं, बर्न झालेलं असतं, फ्रॅक्चर झालेलं असतं, ऍट दॅट टाइम ज्या पेन्स असोसिएटेड होतात, ज्या अनप्लिएजंट सेन्सेशन ऑब्झर्व होतात, दॅट अनप्लिएजंट सेन्सेशन रिलीव्ड बाय दिस एजंट बाय अफेक्टिंग डिग्री ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस, म्हणजे कॉन्शियसनेस जी आहे आपली त्याच्यावर ते अफेक्ट करतात. स्लाइटली बाय प्रोड्युसिंग नेक्रोसिस और narcosis म्हणजे narcotic agent produces narcosis. This is main in the definition of narcotic analgesic. They produces narcosis. So हे असे pharmacological agents आहेत that agent when administered externally they relieve severe degree of pain. इथपर्यंत लिहू शकता की they relieve the severe degree of pain. But pain कधी occur होतात, कोणत्या पेन ते रिलीव्ह करतात, तर that pain associated with बर्न्स झाल्यावर जी पेन होते, पार्च्युरेशन, दॅट इज व्हॉट इज पार्च्युरेशन? डू यू नो? येस और नो?
No, ma'am.
Giving baby
Parturition is childbirth process. Okay. During the parturition, burns, fractures माहिती आहे तुम्हाला. Then tumor. What is tumor? It is type of cancer, right? Growth of abnormal cell or overgrowth of cell. Then trauma, that is deeply disturbing injury. Then malignancy. What is malignancy? Malignant tumor. It is related to again cancer therapy. कॅन्सर डिसऑर्डर बाय अफेक्टिंग डिग्री ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस. म्हणजे ह्या ज्या प्रोसेसेस आहेत डिसऑर्डर आहेत. बर्न्स म्हणजे फायर माहितीये, फ्रॅक्चर ऑल्सो, पार्च्युरेशन, ट्युमर्स, ट्रॉमा अँड मॅलिग्नन्सी. ड्युरिंग दिस कंडिशन ज्या पेन असोसिएट होतात, दॅट पेन्स आर रिलीव्ड और reduced by using this narcotic analgesic agent. आणि हे पेन ज्यावेळेस रिलीव्ह होतात at that time this agent affecting the degree of consciousness त्या इंडिव्हिज्युअलच्या कॉन्शियसनेस वर अफेक्ट होतो and slightly by producing necrosis or narcosis. Narcotic analgesic आहेत means they produces narcosis. This phenomenon or these agents are known as narcotic analgesic. This is definition of narcotic analgesic. They produces narcosis. This is main. Then classification of narcotic analgesic. Narcotic analgesic are also known as opioid analgesic. They are classified into two types. First one phenanthrine derivative and second one benzyl isophenolene series or benzyl isophenolene derivative. So first one phenanthrine derivative, their example morphine, codeine and thebaine. And benzyl isophenolene series, their example papaverine, then noscapine and narcine. These are the examples of narcotic analgesic agent. Then mechanism of action of this narcotic analgesic. Before that, all of you understand what is narcotic analgesic and their classification.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Roll number 34. ऋतुजा पाडोळे. 36.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you classify analgesic, narcotic analgesic?
Yes, ma'am. First, phenanthrine derivatives, example, morphine, codeine, thebaine. B, benzyl isoquinone series, example, papaverine, noscapine, narcine.
Noscapine and narcine. This is classification of narcotic analgesic. Roll number 37.
Yes, ma'am.
What is narcotic analgesic? Anyone?
These are the pharmacological agents which administer externally and relieve severe degrees of pain.
They relieve the severe degree of pain, but pain associated with which condition? The pain
Fracture.
Patination, fracture, tumors, trauma, and malignancy. By producing necrosis or narcosis. This is main word in the definition of narcotic analgesic. The definition of narcotic analgesic is incomplete with this word. जर तुम्ही हा word use नाही केला तर आहे का ते narcotic main their function they produces narcosis. Okay, after that mechanism of action. All the narcotic analgesic act on same receptor. Firstly, narcotic analgesic समजले सगळ्यांना?
Yes, madam.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then narcotic analgesic मध्ये two class आहेत फक्त. Phenanthrine and second one Benzyl isoquinoline chain. Okay. So mechanism of action of narcotic analgesic in which all the narcotic analgesic act on same receptor. सगळे narcotic analgesic एकाच receptor वर act करतात. Opioid receptor are the G protein couple receptor, that is GPCR. Opioid receptor are the narcotic receptor. Then they are G protein couple receptor, that is GPCR receptor. They inhibit adenylate cyclase enzyme. Adenyl cyclase हा एन्झाइम आहे. या एन्झाइमला हे रिसेप्टर किंवा हे एनाल्जेसिक एजंट्स आहेत. दॅट एजंट इनहिबिट करतात. इनहिबिट मीन्स
Stop the action.
Reduce or stop the
Stop the action.
adenylate cyclase enzyme. Then increase the efflux of potassium ion. पोटॅशियम आयनचा जो इफ्लक्स आहे तो इनक्रीज करतात. इफ्लक्स मीन्स आउटसाइड द सेल. सेलच्या आउटसाइडला जे पोटॅशियम आयन आहेत त्यांचं जे इफ्लक्स आहे दॅट इज increase the concentration of potassium ion outside the cell, and this phenomenon is known as hyperpolarization. Then reducing the calcium influx. Influx means inside the cell. In means inside the cell, and efflux means outside the cell. Increase the efflux of potassium ion and decrease or reduce the calcium influx. Then inhibit the neuronal activity. जी न्यूरोनल ऍक्टिव्हिटी आहे ती न्यूरोनल ऍक्टिव्हिटी इनहिबिट करतात. न्यूरोनल ऍक्टिव्हिटी मीन्स ड्युरिंग द डेव्हलपमेंट ऑफ न्यूरॉन इट इज मॅच्युरेशन फेज. सो ती इनहिबिट करतात and after that inhibit the pain or relieve the pain. This is mechanism of action of narcotic analgesic. Firstly, you have to write all narcotic analgesic act on the same receptor. Narcotic analgesic act on the receptor. The receptor are known as opioid receptor, and this opioid receptor are G protein couple receptor, that is GPCR. They inhibit adenylate cyclase. हे एन्झाइम आहे त्याला इनहिबिट करतात. आफ्टर दॅट increase efflux of potassium ion, that is hyperpolarization. Then decrease calcium influx. Influx means inside the cell. Calcium ion inside the cell जे concentration आहे किंवा त्याचं जे proportion आहे it will be reduced. Then inhibit the neuronal activity. जी neuronal activity आहे ती inhibit होती and after that they relieve the pain sensation, means remove the pain sensation. This is mechanism of action of narcotic analgesic. Then after that pharmacological action of narcotic analgesic. All of you understand mechanism of action?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Increase.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And firstly, two sentence same. They are the GPCR and they inhibit adenylate cyclase. This enzyme is important one. Also asked for MCQ. So after that, pharmacological actions of narcotic analgesic. म्हणजे narcotic analgesic ची pharmacological action different body system वर काय आहे? On the CNS, that is on central nervous system. Firstly, analgesia. When morphine is administered externally, it relieves the degree of pain associated with the trauma, fractures, burn, malignancy, and parturition. Same as that of definition of narcotic analgesic. तर ते पेन रिलीव्ह करतात. ज्या कंडिशन्स आहेत और डिसऑर्डर आहेत त्याच्या ड्युरिंग ज्या पेन ऑब्झर्व होतात त्या पेन रिलीव्ह करण्याचं काम नार्कोटिक एनाल्जेसिक करतात. दॅट इज इट मेक द लॉस ऑफ पेन सेन्सेशन. After that, euphoria. Euphoria means sense of well-being. Euphoria, it is pseudo sensation of well-being which leads to addiction. म्हणजे something is fake and trying to pass it real. म्हणजे भास होणे euphoria. तर ती condition that euphoria effect is observed or pharmacological action shows the narcotic analgesic on the CNS. Euphoria means sense of well-being. In presence of disease, person can or individual can consume the medicament for addiction purpose or habituation purpose. Then next, sedation. What is sedative? Definition of sedative agent.
Below the anxiety,
Sound
stress,
is
and tension.
Relieve the anxiety, stress, and tension by producing drowsiness.
Okay, good. So sedation produces means they relieve. In the narcotic analgesic, जे morphine आहे, that morphine produces sedation sensation. That is, they reduces the drowsiness, decrease the physical activity and difficulty. Then lack of thoughts and idea. Drowsiness produce करते means they are associated with the lack of thoughts and ideas. Drowsiness means गुंगी येणे. Then hypnosis. Hypnosis means, what is hypnotic?
Sleep remaining to the natural sleep is known as
Natural
hypnotic.
sleep.
Resembling is the main word. Hypnotics are the pharmacological agent. They produces sleep resembling to the natural sleep. In narcotic analgesic, morphine, when we administered or consumed, it produces the sleep which is not related to natural sleep. म्हणजे hypnosis आहे म्हणजे it is not resembling to natural sleep. Morphine हा sleep produce करतो but not related to natural sleep which is characterized by colorful dreams. म्हणजे morphine administered केल्यावर which shows their effect on CNS is hypnosis. That is hypnosis. It doesn't mean ki they produces sleep same as that of natural sleep. ते natural sleep सारखे sleep produce करत नाही. म्हणजे they are not related to natural sleep because it is characterized by colorful dreams. म्हणजे during the sleep there are colorful dreams are observed, therefore they are not related to natural sleep. This is about pharmacological action of narcotic analgesic, that is morphine on CNS. Then next on respiratory system. Morphine produces depression by following mechanism. Morphine हा काय आहे? Under which category?
Narcotic category. First,
Narcotic
phenanthrene derivative.
Morphine हा phenanthrene derivative आहे in narcotic analgesic. So morphine produces respiratory depression by the following mechanism in which it depresses the brain stem and respiratory center. म्हणजे morphine हा direct depressant action दाखवतो respiratory center वरती. And also on the brain stem. Brain stem कोणते parts constitute आहेत? Brain stem contain. In your last lecture, we discussed about brain stem. Spinal cord, cerebellum, analeptics मध्ये झालंय की नाही? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
madam.
ma'am.
Brain stem is the cerebellum and spinal cord. तर त्यांना morphine काय करतो? Depressant action दाखवतो brain stem वर and also on the respiratory center by decreasing the sensitivity of medullary respiratory center. जे respiratory centers आहेत, also त्यांची जी काही sensitivity आहे ते decrease केली जाते to increase the plasma concentration. Plasma concentration जे आहे carbon dioxide which is increased and by decreasing the sensitivity of medullary respiratory centers, morphine shows depressant action on respiratory system and produces depression to the respiratory center. In the toxic dose of morphine, it produces depression on the respiratory system or respiratory center. Means on the respiratory system you have to write it decreases the sensitivity of medullary respiratory center and decreases or depressant action on the respiratory center. Then next on pupil. Pupil is part of
I.
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 On pupil, it produces pinpoint meiosis. Pinpoint meiosis produce करता. Narcotic analgesic shows their action on the pupil is to produce pinpoint meiosis. Meiosis, Madriatic in detail study. We will learn in our next chapter, meiosis, Madriatic. Here you have to remember narcotic analgesic produces pinpoint meiosis. Meiosis means contraction of pupil and Madriatic means relaxation of pupil. The meiosis, pinpoint meiosis, in which in this condition their pupils are abnormally small under normal lighting condition. जी नॉर्मल लाइटिंग कंडिशन आहे त्या कंडिशन मध्ये मिओसिस मध्ये कॉन्ट्रॅक्शन ऑफ प्युपिल होतं. दॅट्स वाय प्युपिल्स आर ॲबनॉर्मल बिकॉज ऑफ कॉन्ट्रॅक्शन ऑफ प्युपिल. Their pupils become abnormal. Therefore, pupils are abnormally small under the lighting condition. Means in the meiosis, an individual or person can see the object only close to him or her. जे object close आहेत, ज्या things close आहेत, near आहेत, only that things तो individual बघू शकतो. Who suffer for the meiosis. Meiosis means contraction of pupil. Then next, meiosis means contraction of pupil or relaxation of pupil. Sound is audible to all?
Yes, madam.
Yes, ma'am.
In the narcotic analgesic, their pharmacological action on the pupil, you have to write it produces pinpoint meiosis. So pinpoint meiosis, meiosis means contraction of pupil, and pupils contraction झाल्यामुळे pupils are become small and they are becomes abnormal on the normal lighting condition. जी normal lighting आहे जो त्या condition ला ते on the normal lighting condition, pupils are become abnormal because of contraction of pupil occurring the meiosis. Then next point, pharmacological action on cuff center. It depresses the cuff reflexes by directly depressing the cuff medullary cuff center. म्हणजे they controlling of the cuffing जे आहे त्याच्यावर ज्या सेंटरचं कंट्रोल असतं, that center is medullary cuff center. ते medullary cuff center हे narcotic analgesic depress करतात. It depresses the cuff reflexes. Cuff reflexes means it is clear pathway of irritant by forcefully expelling. Expelling means to remove the air from respiratory tract. Respiratory tract मध्ये जी irritant किंवा poisonous or pollutant air आहे, that expelling or removing from the respiratory pathway. That is this work of cuff reflexes, and the cuff reflexes ला and also medullary cuff centers ला narcotic analgesic depress करतात. This is action of narcotic analgesic on the cuff center. Then next on GIT. What is GIT? Gastrointestinal tract. So morphine shows a pharmacological action on the GIT is it reduces GIT tone, motility, peristalsis of smooth muscle of GIT, then reduces all the digestive enzyme and which leads to constipation. This one asked for MCQ or 1 mark question. Narcotic analgesic produces constipation. I think in this chapter जे reasons आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये पण हे reason आहे. It produces constipation. So how it produces constipation? Then morphine reduces GI tone, gastrointestinal जो tone आहे, which is reduced by morphine or narcotic analgesic. Then also GI motility. म्हणजे जे पेरिस्टाल्टिक GI motility means contraction and relaxation. Then peristalsis of smooth muscle of GIT मध्ये जे स्मूथ मसल्स आहेत त्याचं पेरिस्टाल्सिस means muscle contraction. तर ही जी प्रोसेस आहे that all the process reduced and also reduces all the digestive enzyme. जे digestive enzyme GIT मध्ये प्रेझेंट आहेत ते रिड्यूस करतात and it leads to constipation. Motility मसलचा GI tone decrease झाला means muscle tone decreases, that means they produces constipation. What is constipation? माहिती आहे constipation? Yes or no? Sound is audible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Bowel,
Also about constipation, yes or no?
bowel movement.
Constipation means stools are dry or hard. This condition is known as constipation. GI motility reduce होते means of course constipation produce होणार. Diarrhea and constipation, they are opposite. In the constipation, stools are dry and hard. So this is constipation and this effect is observed on GIT, or this effect is produced by narcotic analgesic or morphine on the GIT tract. Peristalsis is the contraction of smooth muscle. By reducing the GI motility, GI tone, gastrointestinal tone, and also peristalsis of smooth muscles of GIT and reduces the digestive enzyme. They produces constipation. Constipation is opposite to the diarrhea. Diarrhea in which loose and watery stools, and in the constipation there is dry and hard stool. Then next on the CT's head. What is CT's head?
Chemoreceptor trigger zone.
Chemoreceptor trigger zone. Morphine is act on chemoreceptor trigger zone in medulla. By stimulation, it produces nausea and vomiting. The chemoreceptor trigger zones आहेत, they are responsible for emesis process. So morphine act on the CTZ and it produces nausea and vomiting by stimulate the medulla. ह्याच्या pharmacological actions आपण स्टडी केल्या. Narcotic analgesic act by depression. सगळ्यावरती decreased or depressed effect दाखवलाय. Except CTZ. CTZ वर stimulate करते medulla ला. And after that it produces nausea and vomiting. This is pharmacological. These all are the pharmacological actions of narcotic analgesic agent or morphine. If the question is asked, write the pharmacological action of narcotic analgesic, then you have to write this same. And if the question is write the pharmacological action of morphine, then also answer is same. Okay. All are present.
Yes,
Yes,
madam.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, madam.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you understand pharmacological actions of narcotic analgesic.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, madam.
Okay, after that pharmacokinetic. What is pharmacokinetic?
Study of ADME.
Study of
Study
ADM.
of absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion of drug. So first one, absorption. Orally, absorption is slow and incomplete. When narcotic analgesic are given by orally, then their absorption is slow and it is incomplete. Then second one, distribution. They bound to the plasma. They are distributed in the plasma. The plasma मध्ये distribute होतात and partially bound to plasma protein and partially free. म्हणजे आपण जी concept बघितलेली bound drug and unbound drug, plasma protein binding. Do you remember factors affecting on distribution? तर त्याच्यामध्ये there is distribution. Some firstly these narcotic analgesic are distributed in the plasma and partially म्हणजे हाफ क्वांटिटी मध्ये ते प्लाझ्मा प्रोटीनला बाउंड होतात and remaining are म्हणजे partially half of the quantity free that is unbound and bound drug. Then metabolism. What is metabolism? Anyone?
Molecule.
Conversion of complex form into the simpler form. लक्षात आहे की ते गेलं सगळं?
Yes, ma'am.
Remember what is metabolism, what is excretion, what is absorption, distribution. What is excretion?
Elimination of drug from body.
Elimination of
So in which excretion, so these narcotic analgesics are excreted through kidney, then metabolized by phase 2 conjugate, in which conjugation reaction, glucuronic acid conjugation. This one also asked for MCQ. Particular phase name, narcotic analgesic metabolized by which phase? Glucuronic acid
and conjugation.
This is pharmacokinetic of narcotic analgesic. After that, side effects of narcotic analgesic. हे side effect जर तुम्हाला pharmacological action समजल्या, then it is easy to write side effect. Euphoria बघितलेला आपण pharmacological action मध्ये, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
साइड इफेक्ट जे आहेत ते फार्माकोलॉजिकल ऍक्शन रिवाइज करून रिमाइंड करून लिहायचे. इफोरिया इज स्टेट ऑफ वेल बीइंग. देन कॉन्स्टिपेशन. साइड सेकंड constipation is from which pharmacological action?
On GIT.
Then nausea and vomiting. This is from CTZ. Then headache and fatigue. This is common. These are the. Then next, mental clouding. This one also asked for MCQ. जे particular different side effects आहेत, they are asked for MCQ or 1 mark question, like fetal hydantoin syndrome, nystagmus, ataxia, mental clouding. These are the side effects that are important on the basis of 1 mark question. Mental clouding means mentally depressed. So these are the side effects of narcotic analgesic agent. You can write side effects when you understand pharmacological actions of this particular category. Okay. Side effects, all of you understand?
Yes, madam.
And constipation, diarrhea, the concept समजले?
Yes, madam.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then next, therapeutic uses. Uses of narcotic analgesic, in which firstly morphine is used as good analgesic. Then why it is used as good analgesic? Because it is used to relieve the different types of pain or severe types of pain they are associated with. Associated with म्हणजे त्या डिसऑर्डर मध्ये किंवा ती कंडिशन असताना, सपोज फ्रॅक्चर आहे, बर्न आहे, ऍट दॅट टाइम ज्या पेन्स ऑफर होतात, ज्या पेन्स असोसिएट होतात, त्या पेन्स रिलीव्ह करतात. So therefore morphine is used as good analgesic because it relieves the severe type of the pain. They are associated with myocardial infarction, it is serious disorder, then fractures of long bone and burns. Then next, it is used as pre-anesthetic agent. Then it is valuable agent in acute left ventricular failure. जे लेफ्ट व्हेंट्रिक्युलर फेल्युअर आहे त्याच्यामध्ये हा व्हॅल्युएबल एनाल्जेसिक एजंट आहे. This one also asked for MCQ. Which analgesic is used for acute left ventricular failure? ज्यावेळेस सगळ्या कॅटेगरी होतील तुम्ही व्हेंट्रिक्युलर फेल्युअर किंवा अक्युएट लेफ्ट व्हेंट्रिक्युलर फेल्युअर तुम्ही त्याच्यामध्ये सीव्हीएस ड्रग राईट डाऊन करणार. यू हॅव टू राईट अनाल्जेसिक ड्रग. देन टिंचर ओपियम युज्ड टू प्रोड्यूस कॉन्स्टिपेशन. ते कॉन्स्टिपेशन जे फार्माकोलॉजी मध्ये बघितलंय, समटाइम देर इज नीड टू प्रोड्यूस अ कॉन्स्टिपेशन. जे नेक्स्ट चॅप्टर येतील परगेट यू, लॅक्झेट यू, त्याच्यामध्ये इन डिटेल स्टडी आहे याचा. The tincture opium is used to produce the constipation. These are the uses of narcotic analgesic agent. After that preparation, first one, tincture opium IP, their dose 0.3 to 2 ml orally, then morphine sulfate injections, its dose 10 mg or 10 to 20 mg ampules, which is given by subcutaneously. This preparation of narcotic analgesic or analgesic agent. Roll number 42.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the preparations of narcotic analgesic. Roll number 42. Sound is audible to all?
Yes, madam.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone?
Okay, might be
Pharmacological agent,
or nasal spray injection, injected MJ subcutaneous.
These are the preparations of narcotic analgesic. Ampules माहिती आहेत तुम्हाला? Yes or no? हॉस्पिटल फार्मसी त्याच्यामध्ये ampules हा वर्ड झालाय. Yes or no?
कॅप्सूलचा टाइप आहे. हॅलो.
Sound is audible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know about ampules?
The कॅप्सूलचा टाइप आहे.
Yes, ma'am. माहिती आहे.
Ampules ते एकदम स्मॉल असतात, स्मॉल सील्ड व्हायल टाइप ग्लासच्या. Ampules are usually made from the glass and they are small sealed. Usually they contain liquid. तर त्या ampuleच्या फॉर्म मध्ये या मॉर्फिन सल्फेटच्या इंजेक्शन्स दिलेल्या असतात. And morphine sulfate injection given by which route?
Subcutaneous.
Okay. In today's lecture, we cover analgesic, in which firstly, what is pain, after that analgesics, then their classification, what is narcotic analgesic, mechanism of action, their pharmacological action, after that pharmacokinetic, then side effects and therapeutic uses and preparation. Up to this, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, madam.
Okay. The remaining points, contraindications, morphine poisoning, it will be discussed on next lecture.